Hello, beautiful people, and welcome to our channel. Today, I'll be sharing how to pack elegantly and stylishly for a one-week summer vacation with just a carry-on. This video is filled with tips and suggestions for a minimalist yet impressive suitcase preparation. If you're ready, let's get started. The first step is to focus on basic pieces. Choose timeless and combinable items like a white blouse, a black dress, and a neutral-toned skirt. These pieces will form the foundation of your wardrobe and offer you various combination opportunities. These basics will keep you looking chic and elegant in any setting. 2. Color palette. Choosing a color palette is key to being both minimal and stylish. Opt for neutral and easily combinable colors like white, beige, and pastel tones. This will ensure your clothes are compatible with each other and make creating different combinations easier. When selecting your color palette, focus on tones that reflect your personal style. This will always keep you looking elegant and harmonious. 3. Versatile pieces. Versatile pieces are essential in minimalist packing. For example, a stylish dress can be worn both day and night. A blazer jacket is suitable for both business meetings and dinner dates. These multi-purpose pieces keep you prepared for any situation and save space in your suitcase. 4. Lightweight and breathable fabrics. When traveling in the summer, it's important to choose lightweight and breathable fabrics. Cotton, linen, and chiffon fabrics are both comfortable and stylish. These fabrics also take up less space in your suitcase. This way, you can enjoy a comfortable and stylish summer vacation. 5. Elegant accessories. Accessories are the details that elevate any outfit. Complete your looks with elegant hats, minimal necklaces, or stylish bags. Accessories are a great way to add variety to a minimalist wardrobe. These accessories can instantly make even a simple outfit look chic and elegant. 6. Packing and folding techniques. To fit everything in your suitcase, use the right folding and packing techniques. Rolling your clothes saves space and prevents wrinkles. Additionally, placing your shoes inside your clothes creates more room. These techniques help keep your suitcase organized and tidy. 7. Minimalist shoe selection. 2 pairs of shoes are sufficient for a summer trip, a comfortable pair of sandals and a stylish pair of loafers. Sandals provide comfort during the day, while loafers are perfect for evening elegance. This way, you save space and stay prepared for any occasion. Additionally, both pairs of shoes match every outfit. 8. Elegant beachwear. To look elegant at the beach, add a stylish swimsuit or bikini, a pareo, and a wide-brimmed hat. These items provide comfort at the beach while maintaining your elegance. It's possible to look chic and stylish even at the beach. These pieces will elevate your beach style. 9. Small but chic cosmetic bag. Keep your cosmetics minimal. With basic skincare products, a light makeup set, and sunscreen, you can achieve an elegant and fresh look. Remember, you can look great with fewer products. A minimalist cosmetic bag always ensures you look groomed and stylish. 10. Planning and combining outfits. Lastly, plan your outfits in advance and create combinations for each day. This way, you won't have to think about what to wear during your trip and will always look elegant and stylish. Planning your outfits helps you enjoy your trip and look elegant at all times. And that's it. You can enjoy an elegant and stylish summer vacation with just a carry-on. I hope these tips inspire you and make your trip easier. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. See you in the next video. Stay elegant and stylish.